Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone's doing great. Well, today I am going to do my honest PM skincare routine and I'm going to be sharing that with you guys so you guys can see what I do. So without wasting your time, let's get started and let's just quickly follow the skincare regime or my skincare routine. So let's get into the video. In this video, we are only going to talk about the PM skincare routine, that is a nighttime skincare routine. For a AM, or I should say aka morning skincare routine, I will be filming another video where you can see or follow the steps that I will be doing. So that will be a totally separate video and I will share that with you guys super soon. When it comes to night skincare routine, I have this two different types of skincare routine. One where I have applied lots of makeup and then there are different things that I do. Another one is something where I don't have or I haven't applied any makeup, so there's a different skincare routine for that. And adding to that, I use different products for both of my separate nighttime skincare routine and I will tell you the reasons separately. But for today, we will be using the products or will be following the skincare routine for the time when I don't have any or when I have not used any makeup or a very minimal makeup. Alright, so let's get started. The first step, what I do. So there's something that I would like to talk about is there's something called as double cleansing. So double cleanser is something where first of all you use a oil cleanser to clean all the dirt and the makeup and the sunscreen that you have applied, and then the step 2 would be using a very gentle cleanser. That could be a very gentle face wash or whatever suits your skin, but it needs to be super gentle. Right now when I talk about the first step, that is a oil cleanser. Oil cleanser can be a cleansing oil, it could be a cleansing balm, you can use any makeup remover. Just put it on the cotton and then remove your makeup, and then after that just wash your face with a very gentle cleanser. So today, since I don't have any makeup apart from a little bit of mascara, so for my double cleansing, what I'm going to be doing is I will be using a Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, and I'll be taking this little bit on the cotton pad, just a little bit here, and it's on the cotton pad, and I'm just gonna remove whatever the mascara that I have applied or whatever the little bit makeup that you have applied. So just very gently I'm going to remove it. You guys can already feel the difference of little bit makeup that I had on my face. Now after doing the first step of cleansing, the second thing that I would be doing is I will be using a gel cleanser, and the one that I'm using is a La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser. And oh my god guys, you can already see I have already half finished this bottle. I think it's more than half. This is like a holy grail product for me. I love the facial cleanser. It works amazing. It's super lightweight and it's very gentle, and the texture of this particular cleanser is very gel based, and it's very gentle. It doesn't cause any irritation, and it says it's good for people who have normal to oily skin. So I'm just going to take maybe 2 pumps. 1 pump is enough, but I like to take 2 pumps. And right now, just to show it in the camera, I'm just going to rub it on my face, and then you can just add water and wash it. It's like a foaming gentle cleanser, but it's very gentle, and it does create a kind of a foam. Right, so I wash my face, and quickly I'm just gonna dry my face. Already see the difference. My face already looks super clean, but there are few things that we need to do. After cleansing, the first thing that I like to do is using an eye cream. Now I would say most of the people say just start using the serums, but I don't directly dive into using the serum. One that I'm going to be using today is retinol eye cream from the brand called as the Inky List. And guys, this eye cream, oh my god, this is I think the most cheapest eye cream, but it is a very good product. I think it retails for something like $12, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it under my eyes. This one is almost gone, so I have to literally just squeeze the bottle to get this product out, and I will be buying a new one once this is totally gone. So we're just gonna apply it under my eyes. Now there you go, it has nicely got hydrated. Now let's move on to the step number 3. Now after the eye cream, let's move on to the serum. Now on days when, like I said, I have two different kind of skincare routine, like the night one. So on the days when I'm following this particular skincare routine where I haven't applied makeup on my face, I like to use actives. Actives like some of the serums that will help in exfoliating my skin. One of the serum that I absolutely love using is the retinol 0.5 serum from the brand called as Ordinary. Now guys, you have to be very careful when you're using retinol onto your skin. Now if you're a beginner, I have already filmed a separate video. That video is pretty much coming up super soon if you want to know more depth about the retinol. So just subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell icon so you guys know that this video has been posted, so you don't miss the retinol related video. I use the Ordinary 0.5 concentration retinol. Now retinol, just a little bit about retinol is like it helps in it increases the collagen production and also helps in reducing the fine lines, wrinkles from your face. And we'll talk more about this in depth. Now I'm going to be using this after applying the eye cream because this is a little bit high concentration serum, so you have to be very careful when you're using this. Now I'm going to be taking very few drops of this, so probably I would say like about like 1 or 2 drops. The less is more, so that is particularly the idea that I like always go by. So I'm just taking like 1 to 2 drops. I'm just going to rub it on my palm and just apply it on my face. Now once the retinol is gently applied onto my face, I am going to use the moisturizer. Now you can use any moisturizer according to your skin type. I am going to be using La Roche-Posay Double Repair Matte Moisturizer, which is good for oily and the combination skin. Now it also has niacinamide, which also helps in, it's like a oil absorbing powder, and it's very beneficial for people who have like acne prone, oily or a combination skin. And I just use a good amount of this moisturizer, and I have been using this for a while and it just does wonders on my skin. So this much is I have taken, and I'm just going to gently apply it on my face. Once this is done, it is going to be our second last step. So second last step is going to be, do not forget your lip balms. I see people tend to forget their lip balm. So the one that I'm going to be using is actually an OG product or an OG brand, I would say. So I'm going to be using Vaseline Cocoa Butter Healing Jelly. Oh my god guys, this one, I mean, I would say I never used to trust Vaseline, but my mom actually, she forced me to start using Vaseline if I have like chapped lips or something, and this does wonders. And the good part about this is you can also use on your entire body. I use it on my lips, and I also use it like as a moisturizer, as a body lotion, and just apply it on my feet, on my hands, arms, legs, everywhere, and it just smoothens the area. And it is definitely an OG product and it just does wonders. It's like 100% I trust this product. So I'm just going to take like a very little bit jelly from this, and I'm just going to apply it evenly on my lips. And the remaining that I have, I'm just going to apply it on my arms, on my hands. Just does wonders. So you don't need any additional like hand cream or something. I would say this does wonders. So I'm going to be locking all the products that I have used. So the last thing that I'm going to be using is a Dreamy Mist, which includes jasmine and lavender from Pixie Beauty, and it's an overnight mist, and I love this product. So I'm just going to shake it really well and just spray it gently. So here ends the skincare routine that I follow on the days when I have not done makeup or I haven't applied any makeup. Now if you guys are really interested to know what are the products or steps I do on the days when I have applied lots and lots of makeup, I'm going to be sharing that video pretty much soon, which is going to be part 2 of this one, and it will be coming up like pretty soon, probably this week or by next week or the following week. So in that case, if you don't want to miss the video, just make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell icon so you do not miss my video and the part 2 of this one. I hope this nighttime skincare routine steps were really helpful for you guys, and in case you have any questions, please make sure you comment down below and let me know. I will be more than happy to answer those questions, and all the products that I have used, they are mentioned in the description. So in case you have a similar skin type, definitely check these products out. These have done wonders to my skin, and I'll absolutely love these products since I started using these. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and I will see you guys super soon.